Hi all, this is Gary from Tommy Knockers. Hello. And I decided that I wanted to do a review on two products. One is Jimbo's water table, and the other one is from the internet, eBay specifically, that is pretty popular, I guess. I thought it was worth a comparison. We might as well just jump right into this. One of the first things you're going to have to do is clean out the holes for the vials and get all the air out of them. You can see there that there are bubbles that you need to take out, and that way the gold will drop right in. I have to do it on both of these. You'll see them just kind of start bubbling out of there all by themselves. See there, it's just easy stuff. You just stick a couple bristles down there from the brush, and you do it that way first. Then we go ahead and drop in the concentrates, and this one looks pretty good. I added a half a gram of gold. This one on this side is way too steep. You'll see everything disappear here, and so I have to adjust with the thumb screws on the side. Not too easy on this one. You'll also notice that there's an uneven water curtain, where this one over on Jim's is really nice and flat and everything. It makes a big difference in recovery. The thumb screws on the side of the eBay unit are small and kind of difficult to handle. So the other side of the coin is Jim's, and it's really easy to use, especially on the fly, just to make sure everything gets even, because you will be adjusting it throughout the eBay one had some issues that I didn't particularly care for. One of them was that it was all plastic, and there's some hot channels where the water just kind of goes faster on the sides than this would reduce your rate of recovery, especially of the finer golds. What I'm showing you here is the water curtain that's smooth on Jim's, not on the other one. The tubs, you probably already have them. They're mortar tubs, and you can get them at any Home Depot for about $7. We're beginning to work the material here. Always push up and let it fall back and drop off by its own most of the time. As I said before, this is real easy to adjust on height. You will be adjusting them throughout the process to get the most best results. We are moving pretty quickly here, so I figured we'd add some more, and after adjusting the rate of flow on this one on Jim, so put some more in. I think I overloaded it this time. But so after I get through moving the material around, getting rid of all of the lighter material, I'll kind of push it towards the hole. You'll see some gold coming up here that have separated from the heavies. Figured I'd play with the lights a little bit too, just for fun. You can see the gold up there on the top. I just kind of move it around, give the gold a chance to settle, and give the heavies a chance to leave. You can see some there in the still shot. It was pretty good. I actually kind of liked it. It's almost like, I don't know, watching paint dry to me, but you know, you never. It takes a beer to get through it, but you can see it's collecting some pretty good pieces there. Like I said before, I put in a half a gram into, some heavy material, just to kind of see how they work together. And Jim also offers a different kit too to go with it. That will take a 3-ounce vial, and it's waterproof and unbreakable basically, so you don't have to worry about either losing or breaking your vial. But I think that's really a good thing to have. You know how things are as far as breaking around the campfire. There are 3 pans that you get. The classifiers are probably the most important thing. That level is important too. What I would do would be to set it at a good angle, and then attach the level at level, so you start close at the right angle. And here's a plug for the new kit that Jim has out. It's pretty nifty. One reason I really didn't like this table is everything is plastic. The lights didn't even stick to the plastic for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's because it's a petroleum product, but wow, I just did not warm up to it at all. But anyways, here's some of the gold I guess I got from it. This table, it was a lot more difficult. The surface was a lot rougher, so it held the heavies a lot more and wouldn't separate as easily. It'll work. It works, I guess, because I got some gold. But overall, I like the Jimbo Gold setup a lot better. It seemed a lot better quality, a lot more durable. So there you have it, folks. And we got 100 mesh and maybe even smaller. And by George, it was a enlightening review. So thank you very much, and have a good day.